Hello, I am your everyday average Jonathan. Join me this week because I turned this and this into this, a baby unicorn horn. So both my daughters, who are 6 and 8 years old, have furiously maintained that our 3-year-old Gypsy Vanner mare, she's a black and white, beautiful horse. They've maintained that she is in fact actually a unicorn in the making, and at any point, some point, she's going to show signs of her unicorn horn bursting forth from her head and growing out and become a full-fledged unicorn. Heck, I actually think that they're also convinced that she's probably a Pegasus, and when I'm not looking, they probably inspect her sides for little wing nubs that might be protruding out. I like to keep this fantasy alive in their heads. So I'm going to make this little unicorn horn. It's not going to be full-sized, but it's going to be not quite exactly baby-sized, but about adolescent-sized. And I'm going to mount it to some horsehead armor that I'm making simultaneously. They haven't seen it yet, so when they do see it, I hope that I can put it on Sapphire, on my mare, the horsehead armor, and then they see this unicorn horn that's going to be bursting forth from the armor. And maybe for a moment, they'll be convinced that they were actually right, and she indeed is an actual unicorn. Thank you for joining me for that build. There's really no learnings or no real takeaways other than one. It is always a treasure, a blessing to make something for children, even if they're not your children, but something that is physical, tangible, that gets their heads away from screen time, maybe puts their feet in the grass, has their eyes looking upward to something that's mystical and beyond them and maybe possible. Heck, that sounds like a great gift for anybody, don't you think? If you'd like to see more projects like that, please check out the rest of my channel for other mystical, whimsical, fantastical builds. Until then, God bless.